Hi. The next problem the given that a line AB of 25 mm long is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. Okay. The endpoints A and B of the line are 35 mm above and 10 mm above HP. 35 mm and 10 mm above HP. The line is 20 mm in front of VP. Draw the projections. Okay. Here, by using this problem, we need to first identify the condition or position of the line with respect to vertical plane and horizontal plane. Here, the line AB is 25 mm long is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. Perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. Okay. Parallel to VP and perpendicular to HP condition. Okay. For that, first you have to imagine the object. Now considering this is vertical plane and this one is horizontal plane. Vertical plane and horizontal plane. Here the line AB, length of the line AB is 25 mm long, is perpendicular to HP. Perpendicular to HP condition means like this we have to place. Perpendicular to HP. Okay. And parallel to VP. Now it is the condition, given condition. Perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. Okay. Perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. Next, the endpoints of the A and B. Suppose it is point A and bottom one is B. Okay. Next, the point A is 35 mm above HP. From HP it is 35 mm above. And B point is 10 mm above HP. Here the distance from B point to the base is 10 mm and from A point to base is 35 mm. Okay. Okay. The end point A is 35 mm above HP and B point is 10 mm above HP. Like this we need to place the object. Next 10 mm. Okay, 10 mm above HP. Next the line is 20 mm in front of VP. From this it is vertical plane. The line is 20 mm in front of VP. It is the given condition. Okay, if you view from this side, the front view is fall on the vertical plane. If you view from top side, the top view is on HP. Okay, after completion of projection, we need to rotate this horizontal plane into 90 degrees clockwise. Okay. After rotation of 90 degrees clockwise, we need to draw the projections. Okay. Now, I am going to draw the projections. For this, first we need to draw the XY line. First, we need to draw the XY line. Okay. The length of the line is 25 mm long. Okay. The point A is 35 mm above HP. First, I am locating the point A. A is 35 mm above HP. Okay, from this XY to this point is 35 mm distance. It is point A. And length of the line is 25 mm. Length of the line is 25 mm. And this point is B dash. Okay, the distance from B dash to XY is 10. The distance from XY to A dash is 35 mm. Okay, 35 mm and 10 mm above HP. The point B is 10 mm above HP and point A is 35 mm above HP. Now we satisfied these conditions. Next, the line is 20 mm in front of VP. From XY to the distance is 20 mm in front of VP. So that at 20 mm line, it is the 20 mm line. Okay. The top view is fall on this 20 mm line. Okay, it is the top view. If you view from this point, you will get the top view as a point. Okay, it is A of B. Because if you view from this side, what happened? First, we will notice the point A. The point B is exact point below the point A. So that it is invisible to the observer. So that I am represented this point in brackets. In brackets, represent means it is invisible point. It is the top view and this one is front view. Okay, Like this we need to draw the projections. After completion of projections we need to give the dimensions. Okay, the point B is 10 mm above HP. The point B is 10 mm above HP and point A is 35 mm above HP and length of the line is 25 and in front of VP is 20 mm. Okay, like this we need to give the dimensions. It is front view and this one is top view. Okay, thanks for watching.